Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing passion twist. Yes guys, passion twist with the passion twist hair. This hair was gotten from Amazon. I will be leaving a link down below for those of you who would want to purchase it. Go ahead because this hair is giving. This hair, oh my god, this hair came out so beautiful, just as we imagined it, and twisting it was so easy. So guys, watch how I do this, and please do not forget to leave your comments and also share this video if you find it interesting, and also please subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification so that you will be the first to get notified whenever I post new video. So guys, see how I do my twist. When I get the passion twist hair, I split one ends of it into two, and I don't pull it all the way out guys. I don't pull it all the way out. I just make a space, like a hole in between, like on one side. I just split it a little bit, pull my finger through it, and then I start my braid. As you can see guys, I don't split it all the way to the ends. Okay, I just open it up a little bit just so I can do the cornrows, because if you try to open it all the way, you might end up making the head look really rough. So I don't open it all the way, I just open it halfway, and I start my braids, and then I start my twist. So guys, if you're new here, you're super welcome. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification so that you will be the first to get notified whenever I post videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.